Hey guys, welcome to Mitch Financial. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. And first of all, I just want to say either good morning, good evening, or good afternoon, depending on what time you're watching this video. Let me start off by introducing myself for those who don't know me. My name is Mitch Alvarez, and I've pretty much been fixing individuals' credit report or credit situation for the past 9.5 years. But only in the last 3.5 years is when my business has actually, exploded, which I got tons and tons of opportunity to work with hundreds if not thousands of people in fixing their financial situation. And I created this online course, and I just wanted to give you a little background behind the scenes of, I guess, the website. I do want to point out, guys, and again, I'm not bragging or anything, but this is my credit score as of January 31st, 2019. This was my credit score. I just haven't updated the picture. Well, I created my website on February, so that's why I will update my credit score. If you guys are curious, feel free to DM me if you want proof. I'll have no problem signing in and showing you my credit score, so you guys can know that I do know what I'm talking about. So this is my house. Obviously, this is my car. I want to take you behind the scenes of what my course has to offer, and here I have a welcome video, and I suggest that if you do sign up for my course, don't skip this part. Every video and every little section is filled with golden nuggets that you're not going to want to miss any of the information. And again, guys, you want to make your money's worth, so I don't suggest you skip any material. And here I give you the introduction. I have included an ebook. Don't worry, guys, it's not a long ebook. It's a few pages, and it's going to blow your mind. Again, guys, all the information that I have included, when I found this information about 10 years ago, it absolutely blew my mind. And it's crazy how no one ever teaches us about this subject. So it's like you can't play the game and win if you don't know the rules. So this is an ebook. I made a video walking you guys step by step how to get a copy of your credit reports. Also, I made another video of how to read your credit reports and what to look for. I actually pulled up a credit report, and for you guys to actually visually see it. I made a video kind of tutorial, kind of how this video is, I'm gonna make in this video, just so you can have a visual perspective of how exactly what to expect and what is it that you're gonna do. I also created a video how to update your information. Another video, this is actually one of my longest videos, how to dispute and delete the items off your credit report, where you put everything into motion. Excuse me. And here I also included PDF versions of the round 1 letters, 2, 3, and 4. And they're very easy, guys. Everything's laid out for you in a simple format. All you have to do, where it says your name, you just put your name. Where it says your address, you put your address. All the information, all the letters are written out for you guys. There's nothing that you guys have absolutely to do than to just take action and follow the steps. I've also included a section of how to remove hard inquiries, how to remove late payments, how to remove bankruptcy and public records. If you're not familiar with this term, this one means pretty much also if you ever been evicted, an eviction stays on your credit report. So this section is for you if you have an eviction on your credit report. And also, this is one of my favorite ones, guys. I included a bonus section where I teach you guys how to get a credit card without a hard inquiry. If you don't know the difference between a hard inquiry, sorry, a hard inquiry and a soft inquiry, please feel free to check out my YouTube channel where I tell you the difference and why getting a hard inquiry is actually a bad thing. I laid it out for you guys. I put step by step. I show you guys exactly how to do the credit card trick. I also made you a list of where all the stores of where this trick works. A letter to force creditors to never call you again, a pay for delete, what's next after your credit report. And also this is also another one of my favorite section, guys. My frequently asked question has a lot of bits of golden nuggets here. They're gonna be able to answer you a lot of questions or a lot of things that you might be curious of. Please feel free to take the time to read my frequently asked questions. It's again, guys, I made my course to not take so much time from you guys, but again, it's filled with a lot of valuable information, so I suggest you guys don't skip that. And if you guys don't buy my course, and if you guys have questions about credit repair or credit tips, feel free to DM me. Again, guys, I'm very passionate about when it comes to this subject, and I'm here to help you guys. So again, just because you don't buy my course, check out my YouTube channel where I'm going to be giving a lot of free valuable content. And also, again, you guys can feel free to DM me if you have access to my cell phone number. Send me a text. I'm not going to ignore you guys. Again, I love talking about this subject, and I'm very passionate about this, and I want everybody to have a better financial life, believe it or not. I know that's cheesy, but whatever. Again, guys, feel free to check out my YouTube channel or DM me if you have any questions about credit repair. I'm here to help you, whether you buy my course or whether you don't. I just want to help you guys, so take care. Oh, sorry guys. One thing before I sign off, I do want to say this is absolutely beginner friendly. It doesn't matter if you have no experience in you know, filling out letters, or you don't even know what the credit bureaus is, or whatever, or any experience with credit. It's okay, guys. My course is honestly 100% beginner friendly, so I hope that, you know, that doesn't scare you away if you're just like, oh, I don't know how to talk to them, or I don't know what to do. My course has done it from A to Z, step by step, on exactly what to do. And if you're a visual learner, I have created videos and walking you through the steps and how to do the steps. So, alright guys, that is it for now. Again guys, if you guys need my help, please feel free to DM me on Instagram, or, you know, watch my YouTube videos. Take care till next time.